Hello everyone, my name is Alankrit and today I will teach how to use flash fill in Excel for the purpose of portfolio analysis. So without wasting further time, let's begin. I have collected this raw data from somewhere and it contains the details of various stocks sold on a particular day. This price indicates means the price of 120.30 is the purchasing price of the stock 1 and price of 380.9 is the selling price of stock 1. So if we will copy paste all of this, it will take so much time. So is there any way to do this? Yes, there is a way. There is a function in Excel called flash fill. We can use flash fill for the purpose of our analysis. How to do that? Let's begin. So first we will copy the name of the stock, that is stock 1. Copied this and then we will paste it here, Ctrl plus V. Now if we will copy each and every stock, it will take so much time. So what is the another way? The another way is to press Ctrl plus E. The Excel will fill automatically everything. So now we come to purchasing price of stock. So as I told you earlier that 120.30 and 102.03 and everything like this will be the purchasing price of our stocks. Then what we can do is we can copy this and again we will paste it here. So again press Ctrl plus E. Oops. Although the results are in our favor, but it is showing some of the means not in a favored way. So what we can do? We can easily press Ctrl plus H and we will replace the underscore by nothing. First of all, we need to select this. After selecting this data which we want to edit, we will press Ctrl plus H. Now replace the underscore by nothing. Everything is replaced and everything is in desired form as we wanted. So now we have to write the selling price of the stocks. So again we will copy this 380.9 and we will paste it here. So again we will do nothing but we will press Ctrl plus E. Wow, everything is filled. So in order to check whether we have made profit or loss, we will use the basic rule, means we will deduct the purchasing price from selling price. Here it comes, and in order to devise the profit and loss further, we will simply select all of the cell and press Ctrl plus D. So in this way we can do the analysis and we can use the flash fills. As this is an introductory video, so I have made a short video for the introduction. There are many more things to come on my channel, so please subscribe and like this video if you really liked it. Thank you.